Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have just dropped my laptop off with some computer guy and it's not good. My laptop even, it's broke. The hard drive has gone on it, which is probably worst case scenario. And he is currently fighting to see if he can save all my photos and all my videos. Pretty much most of my life is on that laptop. So what I've learned from this is always back up your shit. I do think that it was a good thing I think I went shopping before this happened, because otherwise I think I probably would have bought more than what I actually did buy, makeup wise now. So last night I had a dream that I needed to buy loads of I Heart Revolution makeup, and like I do with what most people do with dreams, I listened to it and I went out and I bought lots of makeup. No, I did actually have a dream about it last night, but that was only because I was going out today to buy some I Heart Revolution makeup. If you haven't seen any of the I Heart Revolution, their makeup palettes, they're known for their makeup palettes, are like, they look like bars of chocolate. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure it's something to do with Makeup Revolution, but I've never actually been sure on that. So if somebody knows, then let me know in the comments just down below. I'd be forever grateful. So at the moment they've got their in Superdrug. If you go there and buy one of their fantasy character palettes, I think that's what they are. They've got the Angel's Heart, the Devil's Heart, Mermaid's Heart, and the Unicorn Heart palettes there. And if you buy any one of those, you can get a lipstick and a lip gloss from whichever character palette that you bought for free. So I went there today and I bought, out of all the palettes, this is the one that came to me the most. It's the Mermaid's Heart. So I've literally just taken the sticker off it now. I haven't actually opened it. I have seen the tester, but I haven't actually opened this one. So fingers crossed it's all in one piece. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Ready? Those shades in that palette are stunning. They are so pigmented and so colourful. They are beautiful. They're quite like autumny colours, which is perfect because right now it looks like bang smack in the middle of autumn with all the wind that's like going on out there and leaves flying about the place. So this is probably the perfect palette coming into autumn now. I will swatch it. I'm gonna go for this one. I'm just gonna do a little swatch of that one now because I just have to. It feels really excuse whatever else is on my hand. Oh my God. Hey, can you see that? That is gorgeous. It's like a mustard yellow metallic shade. I can't wait to try this palette out. It's just beautiful. So the free, you could get either a free lipstick or a free lip gloss from the Mermaids collection. So I actually went with a lip gloss because the lipsticks, the colours weren't really that brilliant. There was like a couple of pinks and then like just a glitter one. I think it was like translucent glitter. But yeah, so it didn't really jump out at me. So I actually went for a lip gloss, and I think you've actually already seen the colour because it's already on my hand. So I went for this one, which is like teal. It's like a really dark teal. Can you see that? I haven't actually opened it, but yeah, it's this colour here. This is just from what I swatched in the shop, but I was actually between those two shades. There's the teal metallic there, or the bronze. It's like a bronze, orangey kind of metallic. But I don't have anything like teal in that, and I think you can play about with more of a teal colour and have a bit more fun. So I've definitely gone with that one. They did also have a blue, I think it was a blue, but the tester of that one had very, very nicely been nicked by some random person, so I couldn't try that one. But I do have a blue matte lipstick in the Rimmel Stay Matte, so I don't have anything this colour. I bought this colour. Well, I didn't buy it until it was free. I think it was £3 originally, but I got it free, and the lipsticks are £4. I bought one more product from their collection, not the Mermaids, but the I Heart Revolution, and it's something that I've been wanting for quite a while and I just never got around to buying, so I thought, why the hell not? And it is Unicorn's Heart. I think a lot of people know what this is, but look at those colours. This is like an illuminating like rainbow highlighter. Also, as you can see, packaged, so I'm going to open this now and have a little look. But this was, I got a receipt here somewhere. This was $4.99, this was. The palette, oh yeah, sorry. The palette was $6.99, and this, if you did want to go out and buy this on its own, it's £3. But obviously I got that one for free. So, where were we? I'm just gonna open this now. I might just speed the video up. Oh, do you know what? As a pet peeve of mine, I hate opening boxes. Hate it. Why do they make them so difficult to open? And then you just end up ripping them. Is there a knack that I don't get? I really don't want to rip this box. Ooh. Got it. Oh, it's so pretty. It comes in like a little heart-shaped box, like cardboard. That's beautiful, man. It's bloody beautiful. We'll open this together. Oh. I really don't think the camera does justice for how beautiful these colours are. They're complete like pastel metallics. I want to see if I can get, I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to use this brush also because it is brand new. It's my Spectrum A10 small fan brush. Hasn't actually been used before. I have got highlight already on my cheeks, so. But yeah. Anyway, let's do this. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Let me do the other side. I really didn't do that very good. Can you see that? Like I said, I already had some on anyway, but like I definitely can see that going on just from the one stroke there. But that is beautiful. I'm gonna do. Ooh. Don't really know where to do this. We'll just do it there. Can you see that? Still all on my finger. It's pretty much all over my hand. Just look at my hand, but yeah, it is so nice. I can't wait. I might actually do that. I'm gonna do a makeup look after I've done this video, so I might actually use that in it. It depends what I'm gonna do. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, so that there is $4.99. The palette was $6.99, and the lip gloss was £3. Or if you go and get it now with the offer in Superdrug, you can get it for free, and free is the best. So yeah, they were my buys today. I did actually look at the CYO makeup. I was going to get a couple of bits from that, but I've decided against it, which is probably a good idea. So next, last thing I just wanted to get into on this video was I'm 555 subscribers away from the big 100. And it's taken me a while even just to get to 95 subscribers, but the fact that 95 people have actually pushed that subscribe button to my channel makes me so happy, and it makes my heart feel full, and I really do appreciate it. When I do get to the 100 subscribers, I will be doing a drumroll Wet n Wild makeup haul. They have recently come onto Beauty Bay and joined forces, and I've already got a load of Wet n Wild stuff in my basket on Beauty Bay, so I really can't wait to do that, and I will be doing a video for that. I will also be doing a Wish haul. I haven't done one yet, but it's all the rave at the moment with YouTubers buying random stuff off Wish. I actually discovered Wish when I was in Australia, and I was au pairing for a family for 6 months, and I bought a couple of bits off that. Like I bought like a swimming costume, and I bought a new toiletry bag. I bought a watch off there actually. It broke, but that was because I got it caught on something and snapped it. But it was awesome watch, and I got so many compliments on it. I did actually buy another watch off it when I come home, which is alright, it's just not as nice. But it's that one there. Yeah, it doesn't work, the battery went on that one. But I think it was like maybe 99p a pound, I don't know, something really cheap like that, and then postage is like £2 or £3 on it. But yeah, I got so many compliments on my, it's like a mustard watch it was, and I actually thought it was just an Australian thing, but obviously when I come home I realised that no, Wish, you can get the Wish app worldwide, so I think I have ordered stuff since being back home. So yeah, I've also got quite a few bits in my basket on Wish, and I will be doing a Wish video haul, and I'm going to buy a load of stuff and then I'll do a video of trialling them out and seeing how I get on. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I did actually want to introduce you to somebody who I think you can see in my previous video, but wait there and I shall come back. Come here. Hey buddy. Oh, okay. So everybody, this here is Trev. He's my new little addition. He's my little kitten. He's like a tabby slash ginger Bengal kind of type of guy, aren't you? He was an abandoned cat. I don't know if you can see there. All his markings. He's beautiful. I know. You can get off my chest now. Thanks, Trev. Yeah, so this is Trev. He was an abandoned cat, so he was really skittish when I first got him. I've had him for about 2 weeks now, and yeah, so it took him a couple of days to even let me stroke him, but now he sleeps on my bed and everything and won't leave me alone. He follows me like string, like he's on string, but I love him. Yeah, so that's it. He might pop up in future videos as my previous video. You can see him climbing up my lovely display unit there, which he is currently by there now. He's playing with my shoes. I don't know if you can see. Trev! Oh, it's okay, I think he's on a spider. So we'll leave him to his own devices there. So yeah, that was it. Anyway, I am going to do, I think I'm going to film a video now this afternoon before it goes dark, as the light in this room is absolutely pants to do videos on. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it and spread the word. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. Like I said, I'm 5 away from 100. Follow me on my Instagram, which is holly_rutter, and also follow me on my Twitter, which is holly_makeup. And that's it, guys. Until next time, take care.